Hi guys, in this class we have to discuss about a SEO. As I have told you that in the web designing course we will discuss about a SEO in 1 to 10 videos lecture in which you will be clear that what is SEO actually. To learn more about a SEO you have to follow another course on different platform like Udemy, YouTube and other platform you can use to get a SEO course complete. But in this course, I will share some knowledge about a SEO in 10 lecture. You will be clear each and everything about a SEO in the basic level. So first of all, in this chapter, what we have to discuss, what is SEO? This is the lecture in which we discuss about the basics of SEO. So this is the outline of the complete unit. Next is why need SEO for your website? Different techniques of SEO. One is that black hat SEO, other is white hat SEO. Types of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, on-page SEO techniques, off-page SEO techniques, SEO best practice to follow. So these are the points we will discuss in this chapter. Each and everything you will be clear, basic level what is SEO and what you have to improve your website. So meet in next class in which we discuss about a SEO.